Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to launch a roofing website template. You can see my template and then I will show you how to import and design your website for roofing website in just 10 minutes. Let's see home page. See hero section, your achievement and about us section, what we do. You can add more if you have more. Why choose us and our recent project and client stories like testimonial you can see. And here is the final CTA section and the footer area. You can see it has also about us page. See, it is all the required section are here. And see the service section, service pages, hero section, your services and your process. Project you have done in the past, like it is a portfolio. You can see installation, roof repair, storm damage and gutter services. See, when you click it will go to the roofing repair section. See the service section, gutter service section. Now this is a blog part. You can see. Now open the single blog post. See, it is the process categories and here is the title, author and the date, featured image and your articles. You can post, comment, anything. See the archive. It is the archive you can see, and you can see the guide. Here is the archive also. Let's see the free code page, that is contact us. See name, email, you can choose services, roof installation, repair and the others. Here is the contact details like email and call us, address and response time. Now we are going to see how to import. When here is a buy button, you can buy it from here. Here Rufora, you will get a zip file. You can also check what you will get and what is the required plugin. The required plugin are just GenerateBlocks and contact form 7 and GeneratePress premium theme. When you buy it, you will get this Rufora template. Just unzip it and you will get this option. Here is the setting, GeneratePress setting, Rufora templates and documentation. Just open documentation and here is the all the details you need. Okay, here is the demo website. You can see here is nothing and I am going to upload one by one. See, there is no page available, but I am going to follow the documentation. Required plugin, GeneratePress theme. I have already installed it. See, GeneratePress. I am going to GeneratePress install theme. See, required plugin, GeneratePress premium theme, GeneratePress premium, GenerateBlocks and contact form 7. See, it is already installed. And now we are going to next part, GeneratePress theme setting. Appearance, GeneratePress. You need to activate all these modules. Just activate. It is done. And now the next part is import GeneratePress setting. You can see here is the area, import GeneratePress setting, export and choose your template. Here is the GeneratePress setting in your Rufora template and export and okay. See setting imported. Now next part we are going to setting tools. Import, install, run importer. Go to tools and import. Tools, import. Here is the run importer and choose your file template. See Rufora template and upload and import. See, here is the all step are written. Just import this and Gotham and save it. And then next part is going for menus. Go to menus, choose your main menus and select for primary and off camera menu and save it. Next, go to the setting, reading and select aesthetics. Setting and reading, select aesthetics. Home page for home, post page for blogs, and you can see it is all written here, and make it 6 for the 3 column and 2 row. And now save it. Next part, go to, and the last part is open each element, appearance and element. If there are any attempt recovery, click it and save it. It is a one time process because it is detecting new data, new site data. Okay, let's go for it and say appearance, element, and see one by one all element. See, there is no attempt recovery, just leave it and see archive has a attempt recovery. Click it, attempt recovery, and save it. Now next for author archive. Author archive has also one attempt recovery, and done. Blog has also attempt recovery, save it and done. Footer area, click attempt recovery, and save it and done. Layout has no attempt recovery, so leave it. No search result has attempt recovery and save it. Right side by have no attempt recovery, leave it. Search result have or attempt recovery, save it and done. Single post has attempt recovery and check and save it. Okay, it is all done. And now next we are going to refresh it and let's start. See, all posts are imported just in 9 minutes. Okay, you can see all the posts are here. And now set up your logo. For now I am going to select the old logo like Rufora. You can upload your own, like here I have the old Rufora. Skip and set it. See, it is just imported in 9 minutes and 30 seconds. See, your new roofing website is designed. If you want to buy it, I will share the link of this Rufora website template. You can buy it from here, and thank you.